Been to her this morning and we're happy. We are still enjoying. I am waiting. School number 1. Please come and tell
The parabolic solar heater.
Thank you so much. Good afternoon, everyone present. I'm from S.S Nsambya.
There is a requirement for this project. It's mainly because all the structure in the battery.
Humble Rebel 3.
Presenting here an automatic school bell. This is a bell that has been innovated by waste students at Kampala College to solve the problem of inaccuracy in time management in our schools. Come up with such an idea to innovate an automatic school bell where a timekeeper is not needed. Because at times timekeepers also being interrupted there to go to try to ring the bells. At times you can find a timekeeper sick and there is lagging in time management.
Slime, cosmetic products got out to sell slime.
The main point of this project is value addition in bananas. So this is banana. Now we're able to make products like the banana clips and banana cookies. And from the yellow banana, we're able to make banana jam. Come up with a winter bite out of different resources from our environment. This is how it looks.
I put it in. When wind blows it, it lights.
These are marketing producers. Each is one. As why we have some because of the observation in our environment. One major emphasis today is about the air pollution, which is caused by some of the air pollutants from the industry.
I have here a remote controlling a bulb. It controls the way it's switched on and how it's switched on.
It helps in preventing air pollution of indoors. This is breeding a black soldier fly under sustainable agriculture and waste management. When rearing these ones for waste management, you have to use that pupa when it's live and put that maggot on the waste, so as it digs deep, it digests the waste to produce fries, that digested powder. It's called fries, whereby it can also be used as poultry feeds, cattle feeds, pig feeds, such stuff, and fish, where also acts as manure in farming.
It's called a screen remover, and this helps us to remove screens.
Our IMO, also known as micro, also known as indigenous microfinance. This IMO is included, for example, it can be used to reduce or minimize the bad odor from poultry farms, piggery farms, or the hole, not the floor, because the smell originates.
The teacher, the members who are helping us to collect information.
A banana plant from your garden, you cut it into equal cuts, put it under sunshine for some days, and after you obtain like something connected to this dry. You dry this after putting it into this, then you start planting the egg tray. Come up with it, and
right now we are making liquid soap, and if you have to make liquid soap you need these chemicals. We need CMC, we need the stabilizer, we need salt, and then unga.
Candles, we use wax. This is petroleum wax. So we have also stearic acid. This is a molding machine that we use once we are making candles.
This is the use of plant cells to obtain planting material. What we are going to cut in half. Make sure you look for one thing bad. Dig a hole. You have to wait for it 12 days and you'll have this. 26-30 days you'll have this. Then they take about 8 months and you'll have this. Depending on the variety of matoke you have chosen.
And for the advantages, first of all, it's not usually milk and it doesn't take a lot of time. It's quick. In 8 months, the banana sapa is there, ready to produce matoke.
Here with us we have mushroom wine and hibiscus wine.
That's how we came up with that idea to make an app for our school. It's our app called the
Project about solar panel out of cities.
Then we normally have a pipe that runs that pipe down. First comes here, you collect their urine, and their urine is put here, their urine is a big fertilizer. Because their urine has no acid.
It's mobile because it can easily be transported from anywhere to anywhere. This one is a local tomato, and then this one is our game called Video Me. Our game is built from scratch the application. Here we have our game, Video Me. And these are our characters, Caritas and Jonah. As you say, it's Freedom time. Yes. Now they've asked us a question here that what ends with W but has no N. And yeah, our possible answer that we found is a rainbow.
Put your answer to come on top here, and then our teacher will compliment you.
Other houses using a DIY stick-on farm. This is what goes on. You just press and then water goes.
aspect of plant is to that for a plant to grow, you must have heat and sunlight. So using this, it enhances that sunlight to enter. Now,
in industries such as soap making industries, Colgate making, fuel making, and can be attached to the chimneys. Those industries capture the carbon such it is not released into the atmosphere.
This guy's idea came from this problem we're facing with global warming through carbon emissions from current fossil fuel vehicles. So we wanted to use the concept of an electric powered car but to make it more efficient.
What the project is in a nutshell. You take a product, you design it, you make it feel like it, but allow me service provider conceptualizes it and then delivers it.
I decided to use the plastic to make the soap.
We have two projects here. We have the project of pyrolysis of fuel, and then we also have the process of turning natural hair into fertilizer. So, let me start with the pyrolysis of fuel. This is your average packet, no plastic. Now, what do we do to this plastic? We have to heat this plastic to turn it into fuel. This one we have created a real solution to what? To plastics that are everywhere in our environment. We can get these plastics and turn them into what we really need for our everyday life. That's the fuels and the natural gases. If we could only remove the nutrients from our hair and take them to the garden, it would really help our plants. So how did we do this? We dissolve this hair in very super concentrated caustic soda and apply it on our plants. So what happened? This boosted its growth by 300%. This fertilizer can solve world hunger, global population crisis.
Today is fruits. The fruits will be inside. You use them for 10 hours, and within 10 hours they are dry.
This project, we are getting energy from the sun through those solar panels. So it is going to bring the energy to the battery. It will store the energy that is going to be used by these panels.
Powder extract got from okra pods and seeds. Okra is highly advisable for those with outside. It helps them. Then it also helps in lowering blood pressure.
This is jam. It's made from different fruits, and anyone can make jam at home by any fruit. Jam is made mainly to preserve fruits so that they can be used when they are out of season. Jam is very important to elderly people because it helps in the good health of the heart, whereby it reduces salt in the blood.
Squash is going to be different. For example, strawberry squash. This is beetroot and starfruit squash. This is apple squash, mango squash. Now these squashes are made by getting the fruits, washing them, peeling them, then slicing them into small pieces.
It's about conserving the swamps and other water drainage features in Uganda. For example, these plants, they are seed plants. So these plants grow with amplification, whereby their roots they absorb some chemicals from it. This year, we wanted to bring out the concept of environmental conservation, whereby instead we have realized that in the country there are pollutants, increasing levels of pollution caused by these plastics, the plastic bottles and these other stuff like the gold. So instead of dumping them in we have decided to use them as designs and decorative stuff in order to use them on the experiment.
Here we have the flavored milk. We just get this pasteurized milk. Yeah. Then we get also the flavor. Any color of your choice. You can get vanilla and strawberry. Yeah. Then we prepare the milk. Then we come to the yogurt. Yogurt we have also the flavor. We have also the lemon, sugar, then milk.
Students who have taken the time to put together this exhibition, the different aspects of it. It has been very impressive, as I've said, and personally I have enjoyed seeing this exhibition, and I think I've seen almost each and every one. Ask you and continue to encourage you that creativity and ingenuity in terms of science and technology, so that we can solve certain local problems in a very, very good way and efficient and quick way. I'd like to thank you for coming for this exhibition. I've seen that many of our schools have taken part in this exhibition. Continue in the same spirit, continue working hard, putting the knowledge that you receive in class to an application like that.
We lay our future in thy hand. Set free for liberty, together we'll always stand.
Thank you so much. Thank you for coming and for participating. And thank you, Monsignor, for being our chief guest.